Apple stock is $177. The iPhone costs us $1,000 easy. 9 iPhone stock buys 1 iPhone. They done bought 9 iPhones, but don't own 1 Apple stock. I need you to understand this. The Apple stock a day keep the poverty away. While I do own a couple Rolexes, I own a couple Apple stock because I own a couple Apple watches, because since 2008, I have not traded in 1 iPhone. I'm gonna show you how cold-blooded business is. We wasn't losing the ones that we plug in the phone. They upped the price and then took the, God damn it. You create the problem and sell a solution. Watch this. They know we wasn't losing them. So they say, I got it. I said, this ain't some brilliant, God damn. The phone ain't no good if I ain't got a charger. Watch this. He created junkies. He made us fiends. Because guess what? Most of my Apple people ain't switching to Android. So let me see something right quick. I'm gonna say something right quick. I'm kind of prejudiced. If you text me with a green bubble, I'm gonna question our friendship.